Okay, welcome back. This is a question from the Dr. Frost Maths collection, the assignments that I gave to you guys for chapter 5. And this is a question which one of the students has asked me to answer for him. So I'm going to do so. So here we have a rectangle, ABCD. The point A lies on the y-axis and B and D on the x-axis. Given that the line through the points A and B has equation 5x plus 2y equals 10. So this line has equation 5y plus 2x equals 10. Show that the straight line through the points A and D has equation 2y plus bx equals c, where b and c are constants to be found. So we need to find the equation of this line, basically. We know that this is a rectangle. In a rectangle, I know that all the angles are 90 degrees. So I know that this is 90 degrees. Okay, so that's one thing that will help us, because the line we need to find, AD, its equation is, it's perpendicular to the line. We know its equation. So if I can rearrange this equation in the form y equals mx plus c, I will be able to find two things. I will be able to find the place where it crosses the y-axis, which is A, 5y plus 2x equals 10, where it crosses the y-axis, which is A, which is the same point where this line also crosses the y-axis. So that will help me find the y-intercept of this line. And I'll also be able to find the gradient of this line, because if I write it in this form, it will tell me the gradient of this line. And therefore, I will know the gradient of the line that's perpendicular to it, because perpendicular gradients have negative reciprocals. So if I was to simply just rewrite 5y plus 2x equals 10 and make y the subject, that will basically do most of the work for me. So 5y equals minus 2x plus 10. So y is equal to minus 2 over 5x plus 2. So I know that for this line, for line 1, I know that the gradient is equal to minus 2 over 5, and the y-intercept is 2. And for line 2, we can say that the gradient is equal to the negative reciprocal, which is going to be 5 over 2. And we can say that the y-intercept is going to be 2 as well, because they both intersect on the y-axis. So this goes through the y-axis at 2, and so this. So therefore, I can find the equation of line 2 very easily. It's going to be 5 over 2x plus 2. Y equals mx plus c. Okay, and we want it in this form, so we've got to multiply everything by 2. So you have 2y equals 5x plus 4. Multiply everything by 2. This will become 2y. 5x will become 4. And we want it with equal, we want the x and the y term on one side together. So 2y minus 5x equals 4. So we can say b is equal to negative 5 and c is equal to 4. And there we have it. Answer the question. Okay, so this is the equation in that form that they wanted. And we found what A, B, and C are. And we just use the fact that this is a rectangle, so the lines are perpendicular. The adjacent lines are perpendicular to each other. And also that the point A is common to both line 1 and line 2, which we're trying to find its equation. And that is the y-intercept. So it's quite a simple question, actually. And I hope you understood it. Thank you for watching. Other questions from DFM Chapter 5 you'll find in the playlist over here when I get to answer some, when students just do ask. Other questions from straight line graphs in general you can find in the playlist over here. So please do ask if you have any problems with Dr. Frost Maths, with end-of-topic worksheets, with questions from the book. I'll be ready and willing to answer them. Thank you for watching.